you? Really? Ah. Oh, around the shops again. Third time this week. Oh no. Third time this week. Ah. Did you get anything nicer? You didn't even get anything? 3 times in the shops, you didn't even get anything? Yeah? Oh, next time. Next time you'll get something, did you? Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. What else are you going to get? Really? Oh. Oh, the best one, is it? Yeah, top of the range. Yeah, top of the range. Everyone else has got them, have they? Yeah, why not? Why not? Yeah. And where's your money for this? Where's your money? Oh, we've got lots of money up here. Well, where's all your monies? Oh, in the bank. Of course, in the bank. Isn't it? Yeah. You just put your card in, do you? And you take money out. Yeah. You buy lots of stuff with your monies and yes, you let it out. You've now got monies. We know you've got money.
Trapped. Cat on the back. I've said too much.
Shutting up now.
You've got to try and change conversation. Yeah. Change the conversation quickly.
It's chosen. That's all I've learnt so far.
Yeah, I said, no, really.
What about the weather?
It's raining an awful lot for Christmas, isn't it? You haven't had any snow. You going to tell Auntie and Granny all about what you got for Christmas? Yeah? Yeah, tell me what you got for Christmas.
Just too exciting.
Yes, we got the dog, didn't we? Yes. Yeah. What else did you get?
Let me think.
Yes. Yeah, we did, didn't we? Yeah. Yeah, we got some clothes. Yeah.
Oh, and got the toy.
I was just trying to teach it to kick it like that, so she could see it was dehydrated when he had the flu.
Oh.
And he also do that.